Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, Mr. Alok. Welcome to our podcast session. There is a first question for you. Do you really think friendship is really the important part of our life?
Friendship.
Friendship. Can we not live without friendship?
Yes, we can live without friendship, but friendship is important according to me because they helps in many situations for our many problems we can face in studies, in out of town, and many times with communications. So they can help in each time.
How can we differentiate between a healthy friendship and a toxic friendship? Nowadays, people don't know they have got a toxic friendship and they are means sucking your all energy and money.
I think a toxic friendship like some type of dikhawa that looks like a person is helping someone for their own reasons. Like a topper is helping someone's so they can score well, and someone is friendship to someone because they can fight for him. But according to me, these type of friendship are toxic because they are type of matlabi. But according to me, a good friendship is not looks like this. A good friendship helps you in every way, and you also helps for them in every way.
Okay, there's a question for you. Divyansh, your best friend is sitting here right now.
Yes.
In case you require any help in the future and he can't help you, will he be your best friend or not?
He will be my best friend because according to me, I have studied from his also. Actually, I had studied together from class 9, actually from class KG, but at that time we are not communicated each other, but we talked each other after class 9th. But we think, actually I think that if he can't help me because of some reason, not like this that he would be selfish, that's why he is not helping me.
Okay. If I ask you what is the meaning of real friendship in your own words, how will you explain to the society and audience?
According to me, real friendship is only one or two because most of the persons want their own selfishness, because most of the persons need their own benefits, but some kind persons don't need benefits, they want some emotional touch type of friendship. So I would say make a friend like they can help you in every way, or if they can't, then you don't mind.
Okay. Can we accept the friendship like Sudama and Krishna in today's time, in 21st century? Is it possible to expect the friendship like Krishna and Sudama?
I think no, because there are many cases a friend can't be at that level.
But why can't we? We have seen many friends. We can take the example of your Modi ji and Amit Shah. We can take example of Kejriwal and Sisodia.
Yes, some friends had that level that they can die for each other, but also they think that they have their families, so that's they why think most of the caring and personalized things about their parents, not about some type of friendship.
Okay. I shouldn't ask, but I'm still asking. Do you think the friendship between two boys and the friendship between two girls, there is a huge difference between the friendship between both?
I think yes, because boys' friendship is different and girls' friendship is different. I see many of girls had their friendship and says each other best friend, but sometimes they fight and talk to each other after 1 to 2 years. But a friends like boys, they fight to each other and call them after 2 hours or 1 or 2 seconds.
Okay. There is a message that you have to share with our audience. What would you say to the people those are stuck in the toxic friendship?
So according to me, if you are stuck in toxic friendship, just let them go and make a friend like they can help you. And if they can't, then you would help him. Thank you.
Well, then let's put a hand together for Mr. Arun. It was really a wonderful session. So the next, I would like to call on the stage. Let's put a hand together.